Hi, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry Class. Today I am going to start chemical bonding. What is bond? What is chemical bond? Means the force of attraction, the electrostatic force of attraction that exists between two atoms in a molecule. Why atoms are combining to form molecules? Number one, to attain stable electronic configuration, and next one is to decrease their energy levels. Then what is the difference between atom and molecule? At this stage I would like to clarify this down. Atom means like this. This is atom. This is known as atoms. Means atoms generally will write N, O, H. This is atom. What do you mean by molecule? Molecule means atoms are combining like this. N2, O2, H2, Cl2. Like this. These are called molecules. Means atoms are combined to form molecules. Why? To become stable. To become stable, atoms are combined to form molecules. Then you know the electronic configuration. Already I explained in atomic structure regarding electronic configuration. So you know the atomic numbers of the respective atoms. So here first I would like to explain one. Hydrogen. 1. Here electronic configuration is 1s1. It contains, here this is called what, atomic number is 1, and it contains 1 electron. So that is why it contains, hydrogen contains, atomic number is 1. Then here 1s1, electronic configuration is 1s1. It contains only 1 electron. Hydrogen contains 1 electron. Another hydrogen is also contains 1 electron. These two electrons are what bonded with each other. This is called bond. Then before entering into the bonding, we would like to learn some fundamentals. Fundamentals are very, very important. What are they? So here, how to represent according to Lewis electron dot method, you have to represent each electron in the form of dot. According to Lewis, suppose hydrogen, atomic number is 1, means you have to represent like this. Atomic number is 1, it contains only 1 electron. You have to represent at the top of the hydrogen. Similarly, helium. So 1s2. Helium 1, 2. Suppose similarly 7, that is nitrogen. It contains 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Valency shell contains total 5 electrons. How you are going to represent these electrons? You have to represent only valence electrons. What do you mean by valence shell? Again doubt. Yes, very good question. So here nitrogen, yes, I will explain in detail. Nitrogen electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This is first orbit, then I will write 1 orbit. It contains 2 electrons here, then I will put 2 dots like this. Then second orbit, it contains 3 plus 2, 5 electrons. Then I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 electrons. This is known as outermost shell. known as outermost shell. Now you tell me, outermost shell contains how many electrons? 5 electrons. This is first orbit. This is second orbit. Like this. Means it contains 2 orbits. First orbit contains 2 electrons. Second orbit contains 5 electrons. So here now, you have to, according to Lewis, you have to represent in the form of dots. Represent the shells. It contains 2 shells. First orbit contains 2, second orbit contains 5. So this is known as outermost shell. How we are going to represent the Lewis electron dot method? Not like this. How? It contains 5 electrons. Represent only valence shell electrons. Or it is nothing but outermost shell. Valence shell, or it is also known as outermost shell. So it contains 5 electrons. 1 at the top, second electron right side, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 electrons are present, you have to represent in the form of right hand rule. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose, for example, fluorine, it contains 9. Here electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Valence shell contains, or outermost shell contains how many electrons? 7. How you are going to represent in Lewis electron dot method? Like this. F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It contains 7 electrons, so you represent in the form of dots in right hand rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. This is known as Lewis electron dot method. Then here you have to represent like this. This is called what? Pair. This is called what? Unpaired. How we are going to represent what we call the respective electronic configuration? I will explain in detail. Generally, we'll write electronic configuration like this: sodium, Na, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. If you want electronic configuration in detailed explanation, I will explain in next video. Or already it is present in atomic structure video. So here sodium atomic number is 11. Here 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1, it is total 11. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. Then here, how we are going to represent Na1? This is the electronic configuration of what you call Na. Contains only 1 electron in the valence shell. So that is why you represent like this. Suppose you take aluminum. Aluminum atomic number is 13. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Valence shell. Third shell is the valence shell. Why? First shell, second shell, third shell. Third shell contains 3 electrons. How we are going to represent? Aluminum 1, 2, 3. You have to represent in the form of only dots. Suppose if it is a calcium, that is 20, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Valence shell contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. So like this, here we'll write 1, 2. Like this here will represent in the form. This is known as Lewis electron dot method. You have to represent dots properly. So like this here, this is very very important method. Thank you very much. If you like it, please like, share and comment. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ